Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this lesson, we're going to look at steps to correctly install the graphics drivers when upgrading to a new GPU on Windows 11. If you have a new GPU from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, you can just open the case, drop in the car, and let Windows detect and install the drivers. The problem is that you might come across issues because of the previous setup with the older graphics card. If you want to avoid issues, such as blue screen of death and stability problems, the best approach is to completely uninstall the current drivers and then install the new card. Now, the only issue is that the manufacturer uninstaller and the option to uninstall the graphics drivers from Device Manager can sometimes not work as expected, or they can leave behind files and configuration that can cause issues after installing the new card. However, what we can use is the Display Driver Uninstaller, or DDU, which is a tool that can help with this process. So basically, the Display Driver Uninstaller is a tool that does a clean uninstall of the drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel without leaving any registry keys, files, or folders behind. And it can also help to remove leftover files when the uninstaller fails to remove the card from your computer. Now, there are some people that say that you should only use this tool when you're changing brands of GPUs, such as when going from AMD to NVIDIA. However, I still do recommend to use this tool or this process when upgrading from an older card to a new card, even though they're from the same brand. Okay, let's dive into steps to correctly install the graphics drivers when installing a new graphics card on your computer. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. First, open the web browser and go to this website. Then you want to download the latest version for the Display Driver Uninstaller tool and save the package on your computer. Open the location where you save the file, right-click the zip folder, and select the Extract All option. And now, double-click this file to extract the application. And remember the path where you extracted the files. Now, for this process, we need to start the computer in safe mode. And to do that, open Start and look for Settings. Open the app, go to System, Recovery, and then click on Restart Now for Advanced Startup. Now click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and then click the Restart button. Now we're going to enable Safe Mode, and you can press 4 or F4. Now sign in into your account, and then open the folder location where you extracted the files for the Display Driver Uninstaller. Now, right-click the Display Driver Uninstaller.exe file and select the Run as Administrator option. Click OK. Now, depending on the graphics card that is currently installed on the computer, make sure to select the items that you want to remove. In my case, I'm going to clear this option because I don't have an Intel graphics card. So let's say that I had an NVIDIA graphics card. So I'm going to clear this, and then I'm going to check this option as well. I'm going to leave the default. Now, if you understand these options, you can clear or check them as needed. Once you have the specific options selected, you can close this. And from here, we're going to select GPU. And from here, we're going to select the graphics card that is installed on your computer. And then you can do three things here. You can do a clean uninstall of the drivers and then restart the computer. You can do a clean uninstall and just don't do anything. Or you can do a clean uninstall of the graphics drivers and then shut down the computer. Usually you want to use this option. So after the DD tool uninstalls everything, the computer will shut down. So you have the opportunity to open the case, change the graphics card, and then you can power it on the computer. Now, before you actually open the case and change the graphics card, remember to unplug any of the cables, including the power cable, and then make sure to carefully remove the graphics card. And remember that sometimes there's a latch that you have to unlock in order to remove the card. Once you install the card and power on the computer, more than likely that Windows will actually detect the graphics card and it will install the generic drivers. At that point, you can either use the generic drivers. However, it's still a good idea to go to the Settings app and then go to Windows Update and check for updates to make sure that you have the latest drivers installed on your computer. Now, if you're a gamer and you require the latest graphics drivers and you need access to all the features, it is recommended to go to the website for the video card manufacturer. For example, you can go to this website to download the latest driver for NVIDIA, or to this website to download the latest drivers for AMD graphics cards, or you can go to this website to download the graphics drivers for Intel cards. And then using the software, you will be able to install the latest drivers for your particular graphics card. And that's it. That's pretty much the best approach that you can use to upgrade from an older to a newer graphics card on Windows 11. Remember to leave your comments, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.